this is my ultimate science kit. This is for age 6 to 14, and that's above to 5, that means. And this is my ultimate science kit, and let's see what's inside. I'm super excited. Okay, oh, this is a mat. Wow, that's cool. And here we go. Oh, not like that. Here I'm going to do ultra side, and here is instruction manual where we can do, and this is 60 bonus manuals. Okay, both are really good. Having lots of time with fun. And these are a sticker sheet. That's good. And here is some vinegar and glue. And we have glycan flakes. Wait, non-toxic, skin friendly. Oh, we have measuring cylinder. Wait, let me take this on. Let me. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, wait, I know how to take out this. Oh, he just broke. Wow, that's amazing. And we have glow powder, which glows. Wow. Whoa. Yellow color. Yellow. Right there. And green apple scent, used for soaps. This is red color. And this is not least is the rose scent, citric acid, baking soda, crystal powder, and cornstarch. Test tubes. Here's some test tubes, important for us. Wait, let me put this here. Yeah, and here it goes. And the funnel, the balloon, the cups. Let me keep like here. And now we have a stirring stick and 2 molds. Stirring stick will be here, and spatula, last not least is spatula. These for manual. Let's see, this is the bonus. Let's see what's the first. Right now, let's do 2 drops of yellow color. 1, 2. Right, 2. And 2 scoops of blue color and 2 spoons of blue color. 1, 2. And let's mix it with the stirring stick. Now it's green. Wow. Let's put it back. And we need spatula. Oh, secret acid. Wait, let me see the manual again. I forgot. One. Now 1 of secret acid. Okay, let me put this. Close it properly. Done. And now time for baking soda. Let's see. Oh my. 1 of baking. Oh no. Oh no. It's okay because it's a messy mat. And we can do mess on it. Oop, oh no. What's the cap? But oh, it's okay. The messy mat. Okay. And wow. Wow. Super cool, man. Guys, it was a fizz. Let's do experiment number 2. Right now we need test tube, spatula, stirring stick, measuring cylinder, red color, baking soda and secret acid again. Now we need water and cooking oil. We have 10 ml of water. Let me put it. Oh, 10 ml is good. Now we need red. We need a stand. Now we put 10 ml of water. And now I'm putting this red color. 2 drops. Let it be in use for me. 1, 2, and now we need baking soda. And wait, how many scoops? 1 scoop. 1 scoop of baking soda. Okay. And mix it with the stirring stick. And now we have 20 ml of cooking oil. Let's pour it slowly. Oh my goodness. Now we need secret acid. Wait, how many scoops? How many scoops? 1 scoop. But warning. Don't ever try outside. Just put it inside. Okay, because it will be dirty. I'm just putting right here. 1 scoop is done. And let me close it. And now I'm super excited. Oh my. Oh no, oh no, no, no. Oh wow. Wow. Underwater volcano. Wow. Wow, it's like a volcano, right? Wait, this one thing. Here, keep it back. Wow. Fun. Super cool. Cool fizz. See you tomorrow.